If you're stuck inside or stuck at your desk and you're not feeling productive, it might be time to go for a walk. Here are reasons why walking improves productivity. When you're inside for a long period of time looking at a screen, you have two hormones. You have cortisol and adrenaline. Adrenaline because you're getting things done, you're sending emails, you're thinking many thoughts, and cortisol because you have imagined realities. You have these tiny imagined fears that keep building up. What if this person doesn't respond? What if I'm working on the wrong kind of product? So these things are really building up. So your cortisol and adrenaline feel high. So walking is a great way to lower these two hormones. So if you feel like you're not being productive at your desk, it might be your hormones. It might be time for you to go for a walk. There was a study done in Stanford which just shows that walking increases creative output by around 60%. What this means is that when you go for a walk, you activate something called diffuse thinking. Now, this is responsible for new insights and making new connections. So, if you're focused on a task and you're inside and you keep trying to get the problem solved, your body is not in a state for problem solving. But when you go for a walk, your diffuse thinking is activated, your lower stress, and then you're able to make some nice connections. This is why they always say walking clears the mind. When you're at your desk or in front of a screen, there's no rhythm. It's a bit chaotic. Things are coming at you, thoughts are left and right. So it's hard to be productive and really focus when you're in this state. But when you go for a walk, there's a predictive pattern. It's called a rhythmic bilateral movement where you just go in left, right, left, right. Being able to predict things, it kind of signals to your brain that you're safe. And if that's happening, you can lower anxiety and you can think clearer, and then you will be focused more on output that can give you better outcomes rather than when you're in a state of things coming at you and there's no rhythm. Walking is rhythmic. It signals to the body that it's safe, and then you can think clearer and have better output for your outcomes. Over the past year, I've been tracking how much walking I'm getting. I make sure when I wake up in the morning, the first thing I do is go for a walk. It gives me more clarity, it gives me more focus, and I track this with the app I'm building called Zendo. So walking is a non-negotiable every morning. Sign up in the link below to try the app that I'm building.